Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash more wisely than a squirrel at a nut factory. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras, where two contenders are ready to battle it out for your attention and your wallet: the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Canon EOS R100. Let's find out which one deserves to sit on your shelf and which one should be sent packing like your last Tinder date. Let's kick things off with image quality, the holy grail of any camera lover. The ZV-E10 boasts a large 24.2 megapixels APS-C XMOR sensor and a fast BIONZ-X processor. Reviewers rave about its exceptional video quality and impressive color profiles, making your selfies look so good, you might just mistake yourself for a supermodel. Meanwhile, the R100 comes in hot with a 24.1 megapixels APS-C sensor and a DIGIC-8 processor. Users highlight its excellent picture quality and its suitability for beginners, making it a great introduction to serious photography. So it's practically the same. But hey, it's like arguing about which is better, a chocolate donut or a chocolate muffin. They're both delicious. Now, let's talk video. The ZV-E10 offers 4K movie oversampled from 6K, meaning your videos will look so crisp, you could use them as a window to another dimension. Reviewers love the real-time eye autofocus and vari-angle LCD screen, making it ideal for vlogging. On the other hand, the R100 doesn't have 4K, but offers full HD video. While it may not be 4K, users appreciate its simplicity and ease of use for casual filming, especially for family moments. So if you're filming your cat doing something cute, who really cares? Just make sure you have plenty of slow-motion shots to capture every adorable moment. Let's move on to autofocus, because what's the point of a camera if it can't focus on your gorgeous face? The ZV-E10 has a fast and reliable autofocus system with face detection that makes sure you're always looking fabulous. Reviewers highlight its quick focus capabilities as a major plus. Meanwhile, the R100's dual-pixel CMOS AF covers up to 143 zones and has eye detection AF. Users appreciate its quick photo snapping, especially for family photos. So whether you're capturing your best side or your cat's, both cameras have you covered. Just remember, if your cat runs away from the camera, it's not the camera's fault. Battery life, because nothing is worse than your camera dying mid-look at me moment. The ZV-E10 offers around 440 shots per charge, while the R100 promises about 500. Reviewers of the R100 love its battery life, calling it a great feature for beginners and casual users. So if you're planning a full day of shooting, the R100 takes the crown. But let's be honest, if you're taking that many pictures, you probably need to reevaluate your social life. And for all you aspiring influencers out there, the ZV-E10 makes live streaming as easy as ordering takeout. Just plug in a USB cable, and you're good to go. Reviewers appreciate this feature for its convenience in vlogging. The R100, not so much. You'll need a bit more equipment to get that streaming life started. But hey, if you've got a ring light and a dream, who needs a fancy camera, right? Overall, both cameras have their strengths. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is praised for its stunning video capabilities and user-friendly design, while the Canon EOS R100 is recognized for its excellent battery life and versatility for beginners. However, the R100 has received mixed reviews regarding its autofocus performance and overall reliability. So who wins the battle of the mirrorless cameras? If you want stunning video capabilities and easy live streaming, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is your best bet. But if you're looking for a lightweight, easy-to-carry camera with great battery life and autofocus, the Canon EOS R100 might be your new best friend. Remember, at the end of the day, it's not just about the camera but how you use it. So, grab your camera, go out, and capture those memories, whether it's a beautiful sunset or your cat pretending to be a lion. Like, subscribe, and comment down below which camera you think is the best. Until next time, keep buying smart and stay fabulous.